Blessings of grace and peace be with you every day. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm Afaf Habib Khan and I welcome to you all in English lesson. Today is 23rd of August 2021. Day is Monday. Please don't forget to smile before going through this lesson. Let's get it started. Students, we are learning unit number 1, working together, and we have completed lesson number 1 of this unit. Let's take a quick recap of what you have learned in lesson number 1, the dragon dance. Students, you all have learned that the dragon dance is the part of Chinese New Year celebration. New Year dragons are very long. Chinese believe that the long dragon brings good luck. I hope you all enjoyed reading about this festival, the dragon dance. Students, we had another topic, present continuous tense. You have learned that this tense is used to talk about actions that are happening now. It shows the actions that are in progress. It has 3 helping verbs. Some of the examples are, I'm drinking water, I'm writing a letter, she is doing her work, boys are playing cricket, girls are singing national song. Before starting today's lesson, let's revise these words: dragon, drummer, polls, spectators, celebration, and festival. It's time to start today's topic. Students, you need to open your learner's book and your activity book. Learner's book pages 10 and 11, activity book pages 8 and 9. Look at this picture. What is happening in this picture? We can see there are 4 teams. One is red, second is yellow, third is green, and the fourth one is purple. Okay? They all are doing work. Students, you have to observe this picture and then you will match the question with the answer. Come to the next page, page number 11 of your learner's book. Read and listen to the poem. Find the word in the poem that rhymes with in, ground, to, 10, about. Find a word in the poem that means the same as laugh, turn round, begin. Words having same meanings are called synonyms. So you have to read out this poem by yourself and then you have to find the words that rhyme with in, ground, to, 10, about. And second task is you have to find the synonym of laugh, turn round, begin from this poem. Okay? Let's read it once. Rope rhyme. Get set, ready now, jump right in, bounce and kick and giggle and spin. Listen to the rope when it hits the ground. Listen to that clappity slappity sound. Jump right up when it tells you to. Come back down, whatever you do. Count to 100, count by 10. Start to count all over again. That's what jumping is all about. Get set, ready now. Jump right out. Read this poem and do this task. Dear students, now open your activity book and turn to page number 8 and 9 of it. Question number 1 is, look at the pictures, write the answers. Start each answer with he is, she is, or they are. Here answers are given. You simply have to read out these questions and then you have to write the answers in present continuous tense. Okay? Question number 2 is all about verbs. Students, you know verbs are words that show actions. Okay? Here some verbs are given. You have to circle any 5 verbs. Okay? Come to the next page. Draw a line from the number word to the number picture. Number words are here. Number pictures are here. You have to do the matching. Okay? What is the pattern? Write the missing numbers. Read out and write the missing numbers. Here you have to make questions using how many after reading number quiz. Okay. The last question is about to form of the verb. Complete the sentences using the infinitive verbs. Okay. Verbs are given here. You have to choose the correct verb and then you have to write in the blanks. I went to the train station to dash my sister. Borrow, look, meet, play, draw. Number 2 is Ali went to the park to dash on the swings. Borrow, look, meet, play, draw. Please read out all the sentences and fill in the blanks. Okay? I hope you all have understood today's topic. If there is any difficulty, please ask it to me. That's all from my side for this week. Please take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.